Alright, so these are my current blades. Standard mulching blade. Nothing fancy, not a gator or anything like that. You can see the fins have quite a bit of wear in them. They're not worn where they're starting to tear yet, but I'm replacing them anyway because I need something with more to lift. Oops. So I got these ones here. High lift blades. These came from Amazon. They're about 40 bucks. So I'm swapping them out. Nut size is a 15/16. Remember, fin always faces up. I don't know why so many people put their blades on upside down. I've never understood that. Grease on it. Somebody greased them the last time. Now remember, MTD star is 6 point, AYP is 5. I think John Deere has got a 7. With all different things now. This tractor, there's no hour meter, but judging by the wear on different points, I would say this thing's probably about 1,500 hours on this machine, and I'm surprised the engine's still doing as good as it is, because these V-twins like to blow governors. Come on, baby. Yeah. Now, if you look at this blade compared to this one, you can see the difference in the lift. These are more for bagging. They don't have the edge, sharpened edge going up and around. I only bag for the garden. The rest of the yard, I just let all the grass clippings just go right back in. But having the higher lift, it'll also discharge further out, clear the deck better. Remember, fins face up. And make sure the star is fully seated. And if you have a star spindle, you need to put a star hold blade. Don't put a round blade on there. And always hold your blade when you tighten it so it doesn't go spinning around on you. Come on. Don't need to go too crazy. Get these up now. Yeah, a lot of things on this you can see how these have wear, but I can see that it had rubbed on the bracket at one point, which these ones don't have that much. And there was no signs of the bolt ever being worn. And the amount of wear under the deck, the axle wear, the steering wear, and other points on this just tell me that this thing probably got closer to 1,500 hours. So, I mean, Granted, if you got a sandy yard, that's going to change things, but it's overall, general, it smokes a little bit on startup, leaky valves. So I'd say 1500. But yeah, these are my new blades. Nice high lift blades. If you have a sandy yard or a lot of dry leaves, you would not want these because they will wear the deck thin fast. So, and this does have a new PTO clutch on there, and those usually go out after about 800 or so hours. At least in my experience.